In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your tax return from TurboTax. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Whether you've just filed your taxes or need to access previous returns, TurboTax makes it easy to retrieve your documents online. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to TurboTax Online for the year 2025. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for TurboTax. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't yet created an account or need to recover your login information, take a moment to do that before proceeding. Having a secure login is crucial not only for accessing your tax documents, but also for maintaining your personal information safety. Once you're logged in, head over to the Tax Home. This is your main dashboard in TurboTax, where you can find a comprehensive overview of your tax activities. The Tax Home is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to easily navigate through various sections related to your tax filing. From here, you'll be able to access different tax years, view the status of any ongoing filings, and manage your account settings. Now, look for the section labeled Tax Returns and Docs. This is where all your important tax documents are stored. Click on this section to proceed. Here, you'll find a list of all the tax returns you filed using TurboTax. Each entry is typically organized by year, making it easy for you to locate the specific return you need. Whether you're looking for information for personal reference, a financial application, or even a professional audit, this section will be your go-to. As you browse through your documents, you can select the specific tax return you need. Once you find it, you can view or download the document directly to your device. TurboTax often provides the option to download your return as a PDF, which is a standard format that preserves the document's layout and details. Having a digital copy is convenient, and it's advisable to save it in a secure location on your computer or a reliable cloud service for future access. And that's it! You've successfully accessed and downloaded your tax return from TurboTax. Remember, keeping your tax documents organized and easily accessible is important not only for your personal records, but also for any future financial planning or requirements you might encounter. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, TurboTax offers support resources and customer service to help guide you through any issues. Thanks for watching, and happy filing!